Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and doing a quick review of VidIQ, which is a content optimization tool you can use for YouTube. So I have a really small channel, and it's what I've been using to help do keyword research for YouTube videos, as well as optimizing my content when I upload it. So I'm going to just do a quick review. I'm not going to go into all the features. I'll briefly go over some of them and mainly focus on the ones that I use a lot. And it's going to just be a pretty quick overview of it. And they do have a 7-day free trial. So if you haven't tried it before, I'd recommend checking it out. As far as what I use it for, I'm going to go into my VidIQ dashboard. There's a few different sections here, but the main ones that I use is the keyword research tool. So for my channel, I do content around digital marketing, specifically around B2B marketing with LinkedIn ads and Google ads. So if I'm interested in trying to understand the search volume for a particular keyword or get ideas, I can type in, for example, LinkedIn ads here, and I can see related keywords to that and matching terms and questions. So if I go on the questions here, I can see the monthly search volumes on YouTube, as well as the competition. So how competitive, how many people are posting videos about those topics, and it gives it an overall score relative to me. So the higher the score, the green, it would be technically easier to rank for. I do take these search volumes as more directional insights. I've seen some, long tail keywords that have a lot of search volume that I'm not totally sure if that's accurate, but I think it's a good directional number to follow. So if you see, say for this, there's 5,000 monthly search volume, there's probably enough traffic there and people searching for that term or similar terms. So it could be a good, keyword to go after and create a video and include that keyword in the headline. So it can be helpful for, finding questions that people are asking so you can create content on it, getting ideas with the matching terms or related keywords. So that's one of the things I use the most, and I'll go through and take note of them and put them into a Google sheet that I use. And then the other feature that I use a lot is when I'm uploading my videos onto YouTube, they give you this optimization score. So if I expand it here, it shows you the high priority items, like your title is easy to understand. So in this example here, I just have the title as LinkedIn. But if I, type in something a little longer and that's easier to understand, like how to guide, it brings up that optimization score, and it's just helpful to help you optimize your overall post. So making sure you have, a long title that makes sense and is relevant, a description, adding your thumbnail. There's also, if you go down to the tag section, you can add additional tags, and if you click on them, it'll give you ideas for tags. These can just help, I believe, with your relevancy a little bit on YouTube, but it's not a huge impact. But those things, make it easy to help optimize. So those are the two main things I use it for. If I hop back in the dashboard, there's an overview of my account here, and it's giving some video ideas. They have this generate section that can help you come up with ideas. Same with this create section, the optimization section. So you can see this video in progress here that I was just testing to upload to show you, but you can see my title scores and thumbnail scores for the videos that I posted, and that can help you optimize it. Maybe look at something, if it has a lower thumbnail score here, maybe I could update that thumbnail and get more performance, maybe a higher click-through rate on that. And I haven't used, these features too much, but it would be good for myself to go through these a little more, so I'll probably plan on doing that. There's more ideas here personalized to me, and they do offer coaching. I'm not sure, how that is. There's probably other YouTube videos on that, but there's some basic chat and some advanced chat, and I think you can upgrade if you want more coaching. I think there's a lot of free content on YouTube that can be helpful too. You can add competitors. So I haven't added any competitors, but that can help you, I think, monitor what they're doing and what their traffic looks like for their YouTube channels, but something for me to look into, and some more things around SEO, subscribers, and learning. And yeah, that's a brief overview of the different sections. In terms of pricing, I'm on a pro plan. When I went to their pricing here, their current pricing, and view all plans. This is what it's showing. They have this 7-day free trial, so you can definitely check that out and give it a try. So I am going to drop an affiliate link. Feel free to use that if you like, but no worries there if you don't want to. And let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to go through and take a look at a certain section if you have a question that you would like me to answer or take a look at before you purchase it. But definitely would recommend trying it out for that 7-day free trial. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions on that. Thanks for watching and have a great day.